Unlock the secrets to selling high-ticket items and watch your profits explode, miss out, and you're leaving massive success on the table. Discover why some marketers always close the deal while others struggle to make a single sale. Imagine walking into your favorite store and spotting that one item you've been eyeing for months, only to see a sign next to it saying, "Last one in stock." Suddenly, the desire to purchase skyrockets. That's the principle of scarcity at work, compelling us because we fear missing out on something rare or exclusive. Now imagine turning to see someone else admiring the same item, nodding approvingly. That's social proof, the reassurance we get when others approve of our decisions. It's like an invisible pat on the back confirming we're making a smart choice. But what makes that item so desirable in the first place? Here's where the concept of perceived value strides in, dressing up the product in a cloak of worthiness. It's not just about the price tag, it's about convincing you of the value it adds to your life. Think of it as a performance where the product is the star and its features and benefits are the supporting cast. Together, they put on a show that leaves you believing this product is not just a want, but a need. These psychological principles aren't just random occurrences. They're powerful tools that can dramatically influence purchasing decisions. From the moment you learn about a product to the moment you decide to buy it, these principles guide your thought process, often without you even realizing it. Now, think about the last time you made a purchase. Were you influenced by scarcity, social proof, or perceived value? Share your experience in the comments below and see how common these influences are in our everyday decisions. Imagine you're walking down the street and you spot a billboard advertising the latest smartphone. It looks sleek, powerful, and it's being used by celebrities and tech influencers alike. This isn't just any phone, it's a symbol of innovation and status. Now, what if I told you there were only a few left in stock? That's scarcity making your heart race, urging you to grab it before it's too late. Now, picture this scenario in a digital world. You're scrolling through your social media feed and you see a friend has just bought that same smartphone. They're raving about how it's changed their life, how the camera captures every detail, and how the battery lasts days. That's social proof at work, whispering in your ear, "You should get one too." But why do we crave these items? It's all about perceived value. Brands strive to show you not just the product, but the lifestyle it promises. They're selling you the dream of a better, more fulfilled version of yourself. It's not merely a phone, it's a tool that unlocks productivity, creativity, and connection. These psychological triggers are omnipresent in marketing, shaping our desires and decisions, often subliminally. But how can businesses and marketers tap into these powerful principles without coming across as manipulative? First, by genuinely understanding the needs and wants of their audience. Then, by crafting stories that resonate, showing not just the functionality of a product, but how it fits into your life, making it seemingly indispensable. But how do you feel about these tactics? Have you caught yourself making a purchase because of scarcity, social proof, or perceived value? Drop your stories in the comments. I'm curious to hear how these principles have played out in your buying experiences. In the world of sales, establishing trust and credibility isn't just important, it's everything. Imagine you walk into a room full of people. Some are friends, some strangers. Who are you more likely to listen to? Naturally, the friends, the people you trust. That's the first secret in engaging with potential buyers. Be that friend. Start by truly listening. Really listen. What are their needs? What are their pain points? Acknowledge these and show them you understand. Next up, transparency. This is your golden ticket to credibility. Did you know that being open about your product's limitations can actually increase customer trust? It's about setting the right expectations. If your product isn't a perfect fit for them, say so. This honesty not only builds trust, but also establishes a long-term relationship. Another key ingredient, education. In today's digital age, buyers are savvy researchers. By providing valuable educational content that addresses their questions and concerns, you position yourself as an authority in your field. This doesn't mean overwhelming them with jargon or unnecessary details. Keep it simple, relatable, and focused on the benefits that resonate with their needs. Now weave in some social proof. Remember the smartphone scenario? Show potential buyers how others have benefited from your product or service. Testimonials, reviews, or case studies can do wonders here. It's like showing them a mirror reflecting their own potential success. But here's the clincher. How do you do all this without sounding like every other sales pitch they've heard before? Storytelling. Wrap your messages in stories, experiences, or analogies that strike a chord. People may forget the features you listed, but they'll remember the story of someone just like them who made a change and saw incredible results. Now think back to a recent purchase you made. What pulled you in? Was it the trust in the brand, the credibility of the source, or perhaps a story that spoke directly to you? Share your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Imagine you're about to make one of the biggest purchases of your life. It could be a luxury car, an exclusive piece of real estate, or maybe even a piece of art. What factors do you think would sway your decision? High-ticket buyers, just like you in this scenario, require a unique approach that caters to both their emotional desires and logical needs. The secret sauce? It's understanding that at the core of every high-ticket purchase, there's a delicate balance between emotion and logic. People buy on emotion and justify with logic. That luxury car isn't just a way to get from point A to point B. It's an experience, a statement, a piece of artistic craftsmanship. But it also has to make sense. Fuel efficiency, resale value, and reliability are just as crucial. When communicating to high-ticket buyers, emphasize the exclusivity and the unique emotional benefits of your product or service. Paint a picture of how it enhances their lifestyle or aligns with their values. Yet, in the same breath, back it up with solid, undeniable facts that hit the logical checkpoints. How does this investment make sense in the long run? What are the tangible benefits that support the decision? Now, personalize this approach. Use storytelling to bridge the gap between emotional appeal and logical reasoning. Share stories of current owners or clients, highlighting not just the joy and prestige they've gained, but also how the investment was a sound, logical choice. But here's a thought to ponder. When was the last time you made a significant purchase largely based on emotional appeal, only to find that it also ticked all the boxes in your logical checklist? How did that make you feel about your decision? Share your stories in the comments below. Imagine walking into a space that feels like it's been crafted just for you, where every product or service tells a story that resonates deeply with your dreams and aspirations. This isn't just about owning something. It's about becoming a part of a narrative that you've always wanted for yourself. That's the power of storytelling and marketing. It transforms a simple transaction into an emotional experience, making the product or service not just appealing, but almost essential to your lifestyle. Now, think about a luxury watch. It's not merely a device that tells time. It's a legacy passed down through generations, symbolizing excellence and precision. When brands share stories of artisans laboring over each tiny component, they're not just selling a watch. They're inviting you into a world of tradition and craftsmanship. You're not just buying a watch, you're preserving a piece of history on your wrist. But how does this storytelling actually fit into your life? It's simple. These narratives are carefully designed to echo your aspirations, whether it's the success embodied by that luxury car or the adventure promised by high-end outdoor gear. They make you feel that owning this product will not only elevate your status, but bring you closer to the person you aspire to be. And it's not just about the aspirational aspect. Storytelling also allows you to see how these products fit practically into your lifestyle. The smart home system isn't just about technology, it's about creating a haven of comfort and security for your family. Through a narrative, you understand how it integrates seamlessly into your life, making daily tasks easier and enabling you to spend more time on what truly matters to you. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Can you recall a time when a product story spoke to you on such a personal level that it felt like it was made just for you? How did it fit into your lifestyle or help you move closer to your aspirational self?